excellence. No? So, ano niya itong mga core one ha? So, innovation and excellence. Wisdom, yes. Pero ang other one is, atong kapulay mo nungadunggan ni Doc is innovations, and of course, we are always striving for excellence. So this fresh identity, as a consortium, di ba yung this consortium, atong tawag sa itong different business units, reflects our dedication for growth and vision for the future. So, let us raise our glass to this new chapter, to our shared journey together, and shared journey, and of course now the limit sa user no limitless possibilities in the future. Kita gihapon. Okay, so cheers to continued success.
Everybody say cheers! Congratulations, everyone! Punta nito, pagkamay na lang mo papanayod daw. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.